As a parent, preparing fresh, nutritious meals for your baby can feel like a daunting task, especially when juggling a busy schedule. This Momyeasy Baby Food Maker, Multifunction Processor Chopper Grinder, Baby Food Steamer and Puree Blender in one with bottle warmer is here to simplify your life. This versatile, high-quality appliance combines steaming, blending, chopping, defrosting, and bottle warming into one sleek, user-friendly device. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this baby food maker is a game-changer for parents, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance. Solving the challenges of baby food prep. Preparing homemade baby food is a rewarding way to ensure your little one gets the best nutrition, but it comes with challenges. Time-consuming prep, nutrient loss from improper cooking, and the hassle of using multiple appliances. The Momyeasy Baby Food Maker addresses these pain points with its all-in-one design, allowing you to steam, blend, and warm bottles in a single unit. No more juggling pots, blenders, and bottle warmers. This device streamlines the process, saving you time and effort while ensuring your baby enjoys fresh, nutrient-rich meals. Its intuitive touch control panel and self-cleaning feature make it a must-have for busy parents who value convenience without compromising quality. Why choose the Momyeasy Baby Food Maker? Key features: 10-in-1 multifunctionality. This baby food maker does it all: steam, cook, defrost, warm bottles, blend, chop, grind, and puree. Its 2-layer steamer basket allows you to cook different foods simultaneously, perfect for creating diverse, nutrient-packed meals for your baby. Frequency conversion steaming technology. Unlike traditional steamers, this device uses advanced technology to control steaming temperature precisely, ensuring even heating and maximum retention of proteins, vitamins, and minerals. The steam basket separates excess water, preserving food quality. BPA-free Tritan stirring cup. Safety is paramount, and the Momyeasy Baby Food Maker uses ETL-certified, lead-free Tritan material for its stirring cup, giving you peace of mind that your baby's food is free from harmful chemicals. Smart Touch Control Panel. The intelligent touch panel offers automatic cooking and blending modes, allowing you to set it and forget it. Manual blending options let you customize textures to suit your baby's developmental stage. Easy-to-clean design, with a large-caliber stainless steel water tank, removable blade, and dishwasher-safe steamer basket, cleanup is a breeze. The self-cleaning function further reduces the hassle, making it ideal for busy moms. Recipe guide included. New to making baby food? The included recipe guide offers nutritious, baby-friendly recipes to help you get started, ensuring your little one enjoys a variety of flavors. Benefits that make a difference. Time-saving convenience. The all-in-one design means you can steam and blend in the same unit, eliminating the need to transfer food between appliances. The automatic cooking and blending feature lets you multitask while preparing fresh meals. Nutrient-rich meals. The frequency conversion steaming technology ensures that essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and proteins are preserved, giving your baby the best start to a healthy diet. Versatility for growing babies. From smooth purees for beginners to chunkier textures for older babies, this baby food maker adapts to your child's needs. It's also suitable for fruits, vegetables, and meats, offering endless meal possibilities. Perfect for these parents. The Momyeasy Baby Food Maker is ideal for new parents, first-time moms and dads who want an easy, safe way to prepare homemade baby food without the guesswork. Busy caregivers. Parents with packed schedules who need a time-saving appliance that simplifies meal prep. Health-conscious families. Those who prioritize fresh, organic, and additive-free meals to support their baby's growth and development. Space-savvy households. Its compact design fits easily on countertops or in cabinets, making it perfect for small kitchens. Why it's a must-have for your kitchen. The Momyeasy Baby Food Maker isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a lifeline for parents who want to provide their babies with fresh, healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen. Its multifunctionality eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving you money and counter space. The safety-focused design, with BPA-free Tritan and ETL certification, ensures your baby's food is prepared in a healthy environment. Plus, The included recipe guide makes it easy to experiment with new flavors, helping your baby develop a love for diverse, nutritious foods. Final thoughts. A smart investment for your baby's health. The Momyeasy Baby Food Maker is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a tool that empowers parents to provide their babies with fresh, nutrient-rich meals with minimal effort. Its multifunctionality, safety features, and ease of use make it a standout choice for busy families. Whether you're pureeing fruits for a newborn or preparing chunkier meals for a toddler, this device adapts to your needs, saving you time and ensuring your baby gets the best nutrition possible. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.